Welcome to this video for Bitdefender Total Security feature for Windows. This is the first page for Bitdefender Total Security. You can see the quick feature here in the main page, including quick scan, system scan, vulnerability scan, VPN, self-pay, or you want to add more quick action that is also included. Next, we go to protection features. First, you can see the antivirus. Here, you can see more options in the antivirus features such as quick scan, system scan, and rescue environment that you can scan and remove the unsolved threats in the current environment. Other than that, you can manage your scan to set the task and create the schedule for the scan. In the setting part of antivirus, you can put the data that you want the exception, or you want to put the unknown data to be in the quarantine, or the physical storage like DVD, CD, flash drive, and map network drive to scan. For the advanced setting in the Bitdefender antivirus here, you can see the Bitdefender Shield, scan only application, scan potentially unwanted application, scan process memory, here that can scan the memory, and the scan command line, which is can scan the command line newly launched application, scan script, scan network share, uh, and scan archive here that it didn't enable right now. And you also can ignore the archive that you want to, you can scale it. And you also can scan the boot sector. You can scan only the new and modified file. You can scan the key lockers, the early boot scan, and for the thread action, you can adjust more than one and reset advanced settings. Next, we move to crypto mining protection settings, which you can block or detect the crypto mining activities. And here are advanced threat defense features. If you come in, this will show any threat that you faced in the previous 90 days. And the setting here that you can change. Online threat preventions have all of the security that can protect online threat. Here we have exceptions, and here in the web protection we have web attack prevention, search advisor, encrypt web scan, fraud protection, phishing protection. In network protection, we have network threat prevention. Last is local email protection that we can adjust scan email features. Here with vulnerability scan, you can start scanning here. And next is Wi-Fi security advisor, which you can choose between home, office, and public Wi-Fi. And in the setting can change to scan or not here. And now we are at firewall. And here you can see the application that firewall allow. Here are rules where you can adjust which one you want it to access. You can add or reset it out. Network adapter. Here you can change the type of network here to all of the network you connect, and the setting which you can change from here. Now is ransomware remediation. Application exception on the front here, and the setting for it at the side. Lastly, for here is anti-spam. You can create domain name here and manage friends or spammers. And here are the settings. Next, we go to the privacy part. Here we are at Safe Play, which you can launch from here, and the setting for Safe Pay. We can access the Bitdefender VPN from here. It will transfer you to the app. Video and audio protection. You can put the list of apps you want to allow the cam here, and the audio is also right here. And the setting that you can adjust it both webcam and microphone separately. Anti-tracker here. You can add any application you want to use anti-tracker with. And the parents control in case for the parents who want to keep your child explore page safe and track the location. Now we go to utilities, the anti-thief, and if you click here, it will transfer you directly to the central.bitdefender website. One-click optimizer. Here gonna help you to identify and remove junk file in one click. The profile function. Here is gonna help you to boost all of your activities based on what you do at the time. Data protection will help you to delete and shred the files in the folder you select. We also have notification here to tell you all activity or some critical or warning sign that happen in your computer. Last is the setting of the Bitdefender Total Security. You can change the dark mode here. You can make a proxy server and report the products, and the update option to adjust in here.